Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Clean Code for Online Courses, a W3docs inspired guide. This tutorial focuses on writing clean, maintainable, and readable code for online courses, drawing inspiration from W3docs principles and best practices. It covers various aspects of clean coding, applicable languages, primarily focusing on JavaScript due to its prevalence in web-based courses, and practical examples related to course content creation, interaction, and management. Why clean code matters in online courses ***. Maintainability ** courses evolve. New content gets added, existing features are updated, and bugs are inevitable. Clean code makes modifications easier and less prone to introducing errors. Readability * teamwork might be involved, example content creators, developers, instructors. Clean code allows others to understand, contribute to, and review the code efficiently. Reusability * well-structured code can be repurposed across different courses or modules, saving time and effort. Reduced bugs * clear, concise code makes it easier to spot potential errors during development and testing. Scalability * as your online course platform grows, clean code ensures it remains manageable and performant. Principles of Clean Code, based on Clean Code by Robert C. Martin and W3docs Principles. 1. Meaningful names ***. Variables * use descriptive names that clearly indicate the purpose of the variable. Avoid single-letter names, except in very short loop iterators. Functions / methods * names should indicate what the function does. Use verbs or verb phrases. Classes / components * names should indicate what the class is. Use nouns or noun phrases. Constants * use uppercase with underscores to separate words. Examples, JavaScript. 2. Functions / methods * do one thing * each function should have a single, well-defined responsibility. If a function does more than one thing, break it down into smaller, more focused functions. Keep it short * aim for functions that fit on a screen, ideally, no more than 20 to 30 lines. Shorter functions are easier to understand and test. Avoid side effects * a function should only modify its own internal state or return a value. Avoid modifying global variables or performing other actions that are not directly related to its purpose. Arguments * minimize the number of arguments a function takes. Ideally, a function should take 0 to 2 arguments. If you need more arguments, consider using an object as a parameter. Examples, JavaScript. 3. Comments * good comments * explain the why, not the what. Don't just repeat what the code already says. Use comments to clarify complex logic, explain decisions, or document assumptions. Avoid redundant comments * comments that simply restate the code are unnecessary and add clutter. Keep comments up to date * outdated comments are worse than no comments at all. Make sure to update comments whenever you change the code. Use JSDoc / TSDoc * for JavaScript / TypeScript, use JSDoc or TSDoc to document your functions, classes, and variables. This allows you to generate documentation automatically. Examples, JavaScript. 4. Formatting * consistency * choose a coding style and stick to it. Use consistent indentation, spacing, and line breaks. Vertical width space * use blank lines to separate logical sections of code and improve readability. Asterisk line length asterisk keep lines reasonably short, example 80 to 120 characters, to avoid horizontal scrolling. Use a linter to enforce line length. Asterisk indentation asterisk use consistent indentation, usually 2 or 4 spaces, to indicate code blocks. Asterisk use a linter and formatter asterisk tools like ESLint, JavaScript, Prettier, and StyleLint can automatically format your code and enforce coding standards. Configure them for your team's style guidelines. 5. Error handling asterisk. Asterisk handle errors gracefully asterisk don't just let errors crash your application. Use try, catch blocks to catch exceptions and handle them appropriately. Asterisk provide meaningful error messages asterisk display clear and informative error messages to the user. Asterisk log errors to a file or database for debugging purposes. Asterisk avoid catching generic exceptions asterisk catch specific exception types instead of using a broad catch, e. This allows you to handle different errors in different ways. Asterisk example, JavaScript. 6. Try, don't repeat yourself. Asterisk avoid code duplication asterisk if you find yourself writing the same code in multiple places, extract it into a function or class that can be reused. Asterisk example, JavaScript. 7. Kiss, keep it simple, stupid. Asterisk avoid over-engineering asterisk don't add complexity unless it's absolutely necessary. Start with the simplest solution that works and then add complexity only when needed. Asterisk choose the right tool for the job asterisk don't use a complex framework or library if a simpler solution will suffice. 8. Yagna, you ain't gonna need it. Asterisk don't add features prematurely asterisk don't add features that you think you might need in the future. Wait until you actually need them. Asterisk focus on the present asterisk focus on solving the problems you're facing now, not the problems you might face in the future. 2. Applying clean code to online courses asterisk. Here are specific scenarios where clean code principles are beneficial in building online courses. 1. Course content management asterisk. Problem handling different types of content, text, videos, quizzes, in a consistent manner. Solution use classes or data structures to represent different content types. Use polymorphism to handle content-specific logic. Example, JavaScript/React. 2. Quiz/assessment management problem creating and managing different types of questions, multiple choice, true/false, short answer, and evaluating them. Solution use object-oriented principles to model questions and answers. Create functions for evaluating different question types. Example, JavaScript. 3. User authentication and authorization problem securing course content and restricting access based on user roles, example student, instructor, admin. Solution use authentication libraries and authorization middleware to protect routes and data. Implement proper error handling and logging. Example, Node.js with Express. 4. Progress tracking and reporting problem tracking student progress through the course and generating reports. Solution use a database to store student progress data. Create functions to calculate progress metrics and generate reports. Use consistent data structures for representing progress data. Example, JavaScript. 5. Interactive elements, simulations, games, etc. Problem creating complex interactive elements that are engaging and performant. Asterisk solution asterisk use modular code, well-defined interfaces, and efficient algorithms. Consider using game development frameworks for more complex interactions, example Phaser, w3docs. Asterisk example, basic interactive button in React. 3. Tools and technologies asterisk asterisk. Asterisk linting and formatting asterisk. Asterisk ESLint, JavaScript / TypeScript. Asterisk prettier, code formatter. Asterisk style lint, CSS / SCSS / less linter. Asterisk testing asterisk. Asterisk Jest, JavaScript testing framework. Asterisk Mocha, JavaScript testing framework. Asterisk Cypress, end-to-end testing. Asterisk documentation asterisk. Asterisk JS-doc, JavaScript documentation generator. Asterisk TS-doc, TypeScript documentation generator. Asterisk Swagger / Open API, API documentation. Asterisk version control asterisk. Asterisk Git, with platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. 4. Practical tips and best practices asterisk asterisk. Asterisk write unit tests asterisk write unit tests for your functions and classes to ensure that they work correctly. This will help you catch bugs early and prevent regressions. Asterisk use a code review process asterisk have other developers review your code before you merge it into the main code base. This can help identify potential problems and improve the overall quality of the code. Asterisk refactor regularly asterisk don't be afraid to refactor your code to improve its structure, readability, and maintainability. Refactoring should be an ongoing process. Asterisk use design patterns asterisk learn and apply common design patterns to solve recurring problems in your code. Asterisk follow the solid principles asterisk these principles, single responsibility, open/closed, Liskov substitution, interface segregation, dependency inversion, guide object-oriented design towards more robust and maintainable solutions. Asterisk learn from experienced developers asterisk read books, articles, and blog posts by experienced developers. Attend conferences and workshops. Collaborate with other developers on open source projects. Asterisk continuous integration / continuous deployment, CI/CD automate the build, testing, and deployment processes to ensure that your code is always in a deployable state. V. Example, simple course module component, React. Explanation of clean code practices in this example asterisk. Asterisk clear function comments, JS-doc the course module component is documented using JS-doc, explaining its purpose, parameters, and return value. This makes it easy for other developers to understand how to use the component. Asterisk meaningful variable names asterisk variables are given descriptive names that clearly indicate their purpose, example module data, is loading, error. Asterisk single responsibility asterisk the component focuses on fetching and displaying the module data. Asterisk error handling asterisk the component includes error handling to gracefully handle cases where the module data cannot be fetched. It displays an error message to the user and logs the error to the console. Asterisk loading state asterisk the component displays a loading message while the module data is being fetched. This provides feedback to the user that something is happening. Asterisk conditional rendering asterisk the component uses conditional rendering to display different content based on the current state, loading, error, data. Asterisk component-based approach asterisk this exemplifies React's component-based approach, creating reusable and maintainable UI elements. Asterisk asynchronous data fetching asterisk demonstrates using async/await for cleaner asynchronous code compared to callbacks or promises directly. Asterisk use effect hook asterisk correct usage of use effect to manage side effects, data fetching, tied to the component's life cycle and dependencies, module ID. Asterisk error boundaries, advanced in a real application, consider wrapping this component in an error boundary for even more robust error handling. Error boundaries are React components that catch JavaScript errors anywhere in their child component tree, log those errors, and display a fallback UI. 6. Conclusion asterisk asterisk. Writing clean code is a fundamental practice for developing robust, maintainable, and scalable online courses. By adhering to the principles outlined in this tutorial, and by leveraging the right tools and technologies, you can create high-quality course platforms that are easy to understand, modify, and extend. The long-term benefits of clean code, in terms of reduced debugging time, increased developer productivity, and improved software quality, far outweigh the initial investment in learning and applying these principles. Continuously strive for improvement, learn from best practices, and adapt your coding style to the specific needs of your online course projects. Remember to focus on readability, maintainability, and simplicity to ensure the long-term success of your platform.